In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer site ownership in Squarespace. If you're moving a site to a client, handing it off to a teammate, or simply reorganizing who manages billing, this walkthrough will guide you through the entire process clearly and confidently so nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and selecting the specific site you want to transfer. If you manage multiple sites, take a second to verify you've opened the correct one by checking the site preview or URL in the dashboard. It's a simple precaution that helps avoid sending a transfer to the wrong project. Next, head into Settings. Inside Settings, look for either permissions or ownership, depending on your version of Squarespace and your template family. Both areas lead you to the same goal: managing who has access and who ultimately owns the site. Only the current owner will see the ownership transfer controls, so make sure you're signed in with the correct account. Once you're in the right area, find the option labeled Ownership Transfer or Transfer Ownership. This is the dedicated control for assigning the site's primary owner. Ownership determines who has the final say on access and who controls billing and subscriptions tied to the site. Now, enter the new owner's email address or choose the person from your list if they're already a contributor. Double check the email for accuracy. Typos can delay the process. If the person isn't already on your site, Squarespace will prompt them to create or use an existing account so they can accept the transfer cleanly. Before you proceed, review the summary of what will change. This typically includes who will manage billing, which subscriptions or plan responsibilities will move, and how access levels shift once ownership changes hands. Confirm that the person you're choosing is the right one to take over payments and administrative control. When you're comfortable with the details, confirm the transfer request. You'll see a confirmation on screen, and in many cases, Squarespace sends a notification so everyone knows what's pending. At this stage, your site continues running as normal. Nothing changes until the new owner accepts. Finally, reach out to the new owner and ask them to accept the transfer to complete the process. Encourage them to check their inbox and spam folders for the invite. The moment they accept, the ownership switch is finalized and control of billing and top-level permissions moves to them. That's all there is to it: clean, secure, and trackable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made your transfer a smooth one.